So 3, 2, 1. The motorcycle falls down, so it will help the. It will prevent the. Hello guys, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Prashur Banerjee and you are watching one and only Auto Mania. Guys, today is a big day for KTM India. Well, we are at the live launch for the KTM RC200 in our KTM Durgapur showroom. So let's get forward and see what we have for the live launch. By the way, the live launch happened yesterday and I did come live from my Facebook account, and those who have seen the live, well, thank you for your kind support, and for you those who have not seen the live footage, I have taken the live footages and made a separate video for you guys. So let's get started and see what we have in front of us for the live launch of the RC200 2022 edition. Guys, we are back again with the live, and that's Shubhadeep. I think you know him. He's the one in charge of the Durgapur KTM. So we have the cake cutting ceremony right now. So I'll just show you the cake. That looks delicious. हैप्पी बर्थडे भाई लॉन्च है. हैप्पी बर्थडे 2022 KTM RC200. So 3, 2, 1. Guys, this looks gorgeous. You're watching the first look of the KTM RC200, the latest generation, 2022 generation model. And doesn't it sound purposeful, guys? That the speedometer is carried forward from the Adventure 250. So that headlight. Just look at the speedometer now. Look at the indicators, guys. It's integrated into the bodywork. The headlight is all LED. Well, that looks good. It's a full visor which is coming from right from left in the end. The bike is totally different from the older generation. Starting from the tail lamp is almost similar, I would say, but the seats are different. The padding in the seat is different. The main difference in this motorcycle is the weight. Weight looks and weight rides. The weight is really light at around 154 kg dry weight, which is really feather light motorcycle. And coming to the handlebars, I think it's around 15 meters higher, so it is much smoother for cruising. The suspension is WP Apex suspension, which is having almost 10 millimeters or more travel than the older generation, and with a power of around 24.5 bhp and 24.5 was the older generation. The newer one is around 25.4, I guess, and the torque is 19.2 Newton meters of max torque. Well, that's really a purposeful figure and a great improvement by KTM India. So let me know, guys, how are you liking this live, and if this, this orange KTM is ruling your heart. I just love the way the indicators are integrated into the motorcycle. Well, the detailed review will be coming soon in my channel, and you can go and have a look, but this is just the first look and the first impressions. It looks good. When I saw the pictures, it was not so much appealing and I didn't like it, but on flesh it looks good. Brakes is integrated into the wheels, the alloy wheels. I'll show you in a detailed way. Just look at it. It's integrated into the alloy wheels, so it is much more lighter, much more effective in action. The main advantage of this motorcycle is KTM has done a wonderful job in reducing the weight by removing some unsprung mass. Well, that's the sweet. Thank you. Well, the cake was nice, the sweet was nice. कैसा लग रहा भाई?
अच्छा लगा देख के, और स्पेशली रेव करके जो वाइब्रेशन थोड़ा भी था वो रिड्यूस हो गया।
वाइब्रेशन बहुत कम हो गया,
बहुत ही कम हो गया।
कैसा लगा भाई? तुम्हारे पास कहना कि ड्यूक 200 है, तुम्हारा ड्यूक 200 है ना तुम्हारे पास?
पर आप सोच रहे हैं
ले लो, क्या ले लो यार, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। I'm waiting for the 390. 390 will be killer man.
जो
जनवरी में आएगा। The first thing is the ergonomics that has changed, and these are around 15 millimeters higher. It can also be adjustable, which is also adjusted, which is really nice for the people who are taking this motorcycle to track. You can make it a bit aggressive, you can make it very easy to ride also when you want to cruise with this motorcycle. Just a few screws to be used to change the height of the handlebar clip-ons. Suspension is really soft. इधर थोड़ा दिखाओ सस्पेंशन, इधर आ जाओ, इधर आकर थोड़ा दिखाओ सस्पेंशन. The suspension is really soft. But the problem lies over here when you take this motorcycle on the racetrack, because with this soft setup around in the first and second corner in MMRT or in Booth Dinner circuit, it is really tough for the riders to maneuver this motorcycle. For that, what you need to do is click one or two settings up and make the suspension a little bit harder, so that you get that confidence when you take this motorcycle onto the corners. Otherwise, with this setup, it is impossible to take this bike onto racetrack. But if you are riding on the road for longer trips, it is really comfortable with the same setup of suspension. Overall, it's not a big problem. You can just change the suspension settings, which is adjustable from the rear side. So well, that's what I was talking about. The suspension is a little bit on the softer side. Well, that can be adjusted through some suspension setting, which is adjustable, purely adjustable. The front suspension is 43 millimeters, upside down monoshock from WB Suspensions, which is having around 10 millimeters higher than the older generation. So the overall bike तो बहुत बढ़िया लगा. Looks brilliant, थोड़ा बहुत चेंजेस मुझे लगता है होना चाहिए था, which is suspension could have been a little bit harder, but वो तो adjustable है, we can adjustable है, yes.
तो आप थोड़ा और सॉफ्ट कर सकते हैं। सामने का जो 43 mm फोर्स है उसका टायर थोड़ा 10
millimeters प्ले बढ़ गया है.
जो सबसे बड़ा दिक्कत है राइडिंग पोस्चर,
It's really nice, comfortable this time. Tank capacity
अभी मेटल का टैंक कर दिया है, और पहले जो 9.5 लीटर का फ्यूल टैंक था वो
13.7 लीटर फ्यूल टैंक. और माइलेज कितने एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं?
अभी देखिए, सर्विसिंग के पहले हम लोगों को जो लगता है 37-38 तक देगा, सर्विसिंग के बाद अप्रॉक्स 45 तक.
देखो 40 अगर दे पाया तो इट इज अ रियल बिग विनर, बिकॉज 110 रुपये लीटर है.
एयर फिल्टर बॉक्स भी आपका बड़ा है, तो उसके वजह से
अच्छा, तो फिर आपका एयर ओके ब्रीदिंग बहुत क्लीन हो गया. इसमें तो साइड स्लंग एग्जॉस्ट नहीं, इसमें अंडरबेली एग्जॉस्ट है.
अभी भी अंडरबेली एग्जॉस्ट आता है, जो है रेडिएटर जो है उसका टायर बड़ा किया है.
ओके, इज इट अ राउंडेड डायमीटर? ओके, इट्स अ राउंडेड डायमीटर, राउंडेड या
अभी मिल रहा है.
So,
सामने का जो डिस्क ब्रेक है उसमें
320 mm and it is connected directly to the alloy wheels. इसका मतलब इसका बाहर से
4.5 kg का ड्राइव वेट पहले से घट गया है. अभी गाड़ी का ड्राइव वेट आता है 154 kg.
160 kg था. ओके,
सबसे बड़ी बात है इसमें भी एडवेंचर 250 वाला सेफ्टी पैनल आता है, जो कलर
Yes.
लेकिन अभी पहले से बेहतर है.
but we are having in two colors, orange and black, and silver and orange. Silver and orange looks beautiful. By the way, that bike is standing right below. I'll definitely show them that motorcycle. Same price. Okay.
प्राइस हाइक नहीं हुआ है।
And we would be having the review of this motorcycle very soon in Automania, right? He is a guy who is in charge of Durgapur KTM, and if you are interested in any kind of KTM offerings from Durgapur region, feel free to contact Mr. Shubhadeep Kormakar. I will give the details in the description box down below. By the way, I have given the details every time. जो भी motorcycles KTM का मैंने review किया है, it's for him. I thank you for the continuous support.
वेलकम।
And this motorcycle looks gorgeous. अब तो वेट कर रहे हैं 390 कब आएगा?
390 कोशिश है
जनवरी फेब में आएगा।
स्टार्ट हो गया है। कोशिश
Okay.
करते हैं जितना जल्द हो सके
तो
उतना जल्दी लेके
So next question is delivery. Suppose कोई अगर कल बुक करता है, so when can you give the delivery? Is it available? Instant available हो? Okay.
अभी स्टॉक है।
अभी stock है?
390 अभी बुकिंग चल रहा है। कोशिश करते हैं कि जनवरी के अंदर आ जाएगा।
Okay,
जितना
तो
जल्दी
book-
आ जाएगा दुर्गापुर में फर्स्ट वीडियो
ऑटो महीने में मिल जाएगा फर्स्ट वीडियो यहाँ पे। So मिल यू हर्ड
रखिए, आपको बहुत जल्दी वीडियो मिल जाएगा। इसका भी 390 का भी।
So you've heard it from the horse's mouth. The video will be coming very soon, and the 390 lovers, if you are interested in 390s, just hold on for a 1 or 2 few more months, because the 390 RC 390, from KTM, the 2022 edition will be a killer. Means I can't wait to put my hands on that motorcycle. I think वो 390 का पार्ट 45 कर देगा इस बार। 45
समथिंग,
हाँ,
लेकिन उसका जो
इस-
वेट है वो इतना रिडक्शन हो गया है, उसकी वजह से गाड़ी का पावर
पावर और पावर टू वेट रेशियो बढ़ जाएगा। मे बी 1 हॉर्स पर बढ़ा भी सकते हैं।
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स भी
यस,
बहुत ज्यादा आ रहा है।
क्विक शिफ्टर
कंट्रोल,
क्विक शिफ्टर सब आएगा। यस, कॉर्नरिंग ABS।
जो एडवेंचर 390 में है सब कुछ आ रहा है।
It's a loaded motorcycle. Well, it's gonna be a killer. See, BS3 जो 390 था, that is the best till date. मतलब वैसे रॉ पावर आज तक मैंने कोई भी बाइक में नहीं देखा।
KTM का कोशिश है वो पावर के
वो पावर, yes, comfort.
सोच रहा है, इसी वजह से देख
Because this motorcycle is quite bit comfortable because suspension अच्छा हो गया, मतलब सॉफ्ट हो गया।
सॉफ्ट हो गया, इजी जो प्रैक्टिकल है बहुत।
क्योंकि 99% ऑफ पीपल वोंट एवर टेक दिस मोटरसाइकिल टू रेस ट्रैक, कोई भी नहीं ले जाएगा। और जो रेस ट्रैक में लेके जाएगा, दो पीपल हैव दैट रिसोर्स टू गेट इट, गेट दी सस्पेंशन सेटअप। एक या दो नॉच ऊपर कर दो, नीचे कर दो, तो मेक इट हार्ड एंड इट्स गेट रेडी फॉर द रेस ट्रैक।
क्या अभी प्रैक्टिकल है भाई।
ये प्रैक्टिकल हो गया बाइक। And 14 liter fuel tank around 13.7 with a mileage of 40 kilometers to a liter, does give a very nice tank range also.
जो सोच रहा था केबल टूरिंग के लिए आरसी लेके आप वो
तो सिक्किम हो जाएगा अभी इसमें, सिक्किम हो जाएगा, सिक्किम लद्दाख
देखते हैं
देखते हैं।
देखते हैं।
So guys, that is about the motorcycle, and there are few bits which I think could have been a big improvement for this motorcycle, but KTM has missed it out. Well, I'll be saying the details in the video when I do the detailed review. Well, let me know how do you like the looks of the new motorcycle. I love it. From the photo I didn't like it at all. Photo में वो appeal नहीं था, but on flash when you see this motorcycle, it really looks nice. It looks purposeful.
नहीं लग रहा था।
Yes.
कोई ज़्यादा कोई लुक अच्छा नहीं है, पर हाँ सामने से बहुत अच्छा,
सामने से अच्छा लग रहा है।
बहुत ही अच्छा।
And just look at the radiator. I'll show the radiator once again. Radiator is curved one. Guys, if you can see the radiator, it's a curved radiator which helps in 30% of more heat dissipation. That's a really nice work done by KTM. So heating problem is not an issue anymore. It's really smooth. I feel the smoothness. Around 2000-4000 RPM, the bike has no vibrations at all. As I rev up 6000, no vibrations. 8000, no vibrations. Overall, bikes really feel smooth. The detail can only be understood when I take the motorcycle on a detailed ride review. As of now, by first look, it looks premium. And a small thing I would like to show. दिखा दो। It's really nice and flexible. By if you fall down, और भी हो जाएगा ना। If you fall down, it won't break actually. Yes. It won't break at all. तो बहुत अच्छा है actually. And another small thing, ये वाला, this one.
गिरेगा तो बेंड नहीं होगा, गिरेगा तो टूटेगा नहीं।
If the motorcycle falls down, it won't break. Same thing for the other side, for the gear lever. So these are the small things which KTM has done to improve the rider experience of the motorcycle. The same thing happens over here.
if the motorcycle falls down, so it will help the, it will prevent the gear lever and the brake lever to break down. So that's a small thing which KTM has done to improve the overall riding performance of the motorcycle. And what I feel from the first look is it's a huge leap from the older generation. The details can only be taken into consideration after we ride this motorcycle on the for a ride review. But what I feel is the motorcycle is very spacious right now. The seat is wide and you can move around in the motorcycle really nicely. If you take the motorcycle on a racetrack, you can easily change the direction. You can easily do tuck in and put your elbows down, knees down for a nice good cornering. With a few settings, with a click of few settings in the suspension tuning, this bike is exactly track ready, guys, in the 200cc segment. Let me know how do you like the overall launch of this motorcycle. I hope you liked it. So guys, that's it for the live launch of the KTM RC200 2022 edition. I hope you liked it, and if you like what we do, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Automania, guys. Well, overall that was the first look. I gave my impressions, what I feel about this motorcycle. The detailed review will be coming tomorrow evening at 5 p.m. only in Automania. So do subscribe to this channel for exclusive automotive updates. And it's time to wrap up this episode. I will see you tomorrow with the detailed and exclusive review of the RC200 2022. Till then, as I always say, wear your helmets when you're riding, wear your seatbelts while driving, and never drink and drive. This is Prashant Banerjee. You are watching Automania. Signing off. Ta-da!